Liz Magor, born 1948 in Winnipeg, Manitoba, is an award-winning senior Canadian visual artist. She is well known for her sculptures that address themes of history, shelter and survival through objects that reference still life, domesticity and wildlife. She often repurposes domestic objects such as blankets and is known for using mold-making techniques. She had a career as a respected educator at the Ontario College of Art and Design before moving to Vancouver to continue her teaching at the Carr University of Art and Design, where she continued to be major influence on a younger generation of artists. She received the Audain Prize for Lifetime Achievement in the Visual Arts in 2009. She received the Gershon Iskowitz Prize at the AGO in 2014. Biography. Magor was born in Winnipeg, Manitoba in 1948. She is currently based in Vancouver. Magor studied at the University of British Columbia from 1966 to 1968, and Parsons School of Design in New York from 1968 to 1970. Subsequently, she completed her diploma at the Vancouver School of Art in 1971. Magor won the 6th annual Audain Prize in 2009 for Lifetime Achievement in Visual Art. She was also awarded the Governor-General's Award in Visual and Media Arts in 2001. In 2014 she was the recipient of the Gershon Iskowitz Prize. She taught at Carr University of Art and Design in Vancouver from 2000 to 2013. Magor's internationally exhibited and produced work usually takes the form of sculpture and photography. Magor's work has been presented at the Museum of Contemporary Art, San Diego, the Museum of Modern Art, Antwerp, Belgium, the National Gallery of Canada, Ottawa, Marburger Kunstverein, Marburg, Germany, the Vancouver Art Gallery, Vancouver, the Power Plant, Toronto, and the XLI Biennale di Venezia, Italy. Art practice. Liz Magor works in sculpture, installation, public art and photography. Her sculptural work investigates the ontology of ordinary or familiar objects, which she remakes and presents in new contexts. For example, Magor has created facsimiles of food items and their containers, as well as other objects such as driftwood, logs, tree stumps, and clothing. A studio and object-oriented artist, Magor's work emphasizes process and materiality, and highlights the difference the real and the simulated. In previous work, Magor used mold-making and casting techniques to make replicas of coats, trays and cutlery, which she calls serviceable objects, as receptacles for other materials, such as candies or cigarettes. These works reference the accumulation of discarded goods and vices that appeal to our common impulses. They also raise questions about the social and emotional life of objects. Magor's more recent work involves the repurposing of used clothing and old wool blankets, other types of serviceable objects. In her article entitled Magor's Timeless Transitions, Robin Lawrence writes, "Art," Liz Magor says, "is the place where our perceptions are opened and examined for prolonged periods of time. Much longer," she suggests, "than in our day-to-day encounters with the visual world, where we tend to interpret given signs in fixed ways, and where our first impressions are usually consolidated by our second impressions." Magor's art refutes such consolidation. A resolution prevails and closure eludes us. Her sculptures consistently play reality against unreality, meaning against alternative meaning, initial appearance against later revelation. Quote, Bibliography. Books by Liz Magor. Magor, Liz. Henry Art Gallery. Simon Fraser Gallery. 1 January 2008. The Mouth and Other Storage Facilities. Liz Magor. Seattle, WA, Burnaby, BC, Henry Art Gallery Association, Simon Fraser University Gallery, ISBN 0935558470. Art in America article by E. C. Woodley, http www.artinamerica.com, reviews, Liz Magor. Information on the 2011 exhibition at Susan Hobbs Gallery, http susanhobbs.com, exhibits, 88 Liz Magor. Further reading, Adler, Dan. Liz Magor, Susan Hobbs Gallery, Art Forum, Summer 2007. Arnold, Grant, and Monk, Philip, al. Liz Magor, Toronto, Vancouver, The Power Plant, Vancouver Art Gallery. 2002. Campbell, Deborah, The Outlaw, Canadian Art. Summer 2009. 42-47. Dalt, Gary Michael. Look Closer to Grasp Molly's Reach. The Globe and Mail. The 12th of March 2005. Feinstein, Roni. Report from Toronto. Opening Doors. Art in America. No. 11. November 1994. 38-47. Gopnik, Blake. Flaws. Point to Artist's Crucial Theme. Artificiality. The Globe and Mail. The 2nd of September 2000. Heath, Shannon. Wilderness Escape. Liz Magor and Emily Carr. Monte Cristo. Autumn 2010. 54-5. Krajewski, Sarah and Jeffries. Bill. Liz Magor. The Mouth and Other Storage Facilities. Seattle, Vancouver. The Henry Gallery. Simon Fraser University Gallery. 2008. Lafo. Rachel Rosenfield. The Potency of Ordinary Objects. A Conversation with Liz Magor. Sculpture Magazine. November 2012. 36-41. Lawrence, Robin. Material Intelligence. The Art of Liz Magor. Border Crossings. Volume 22. No. 86. 2003. 36-41. Magor, Liz. Kopp, Celine. Robertson, Lisa. Verwert, Jan. 2015. Liz Magor. The Blue One Comes in Black. Moose Publishing and Triangle, France. ISBN 978886749-170-4. Marshall, Lisa. Liz Magor. Canadian Art. Spring 2013. Monk, Philip. Liz Magor. Equinox Gallery. C Magazine. September to November 1999. Nicholas, Vanessa. Liz Magor. Blanket Statements. Canadian Art. CA. Posted 5 May 2011. Towsley, Nancy. Liz Magor. Canadian Art. 17.1. Spring 2000. 70-74. Towsley, Nancy. Hogg, Lucy. And Shire, Reed. Liz Magor. Vancouver, Toronto. Contemporary Art Gallery. Art Gallery of York University. 2000.